Hi, this is Fizzy Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete notifications on Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Roblox is an online gaming platform that allows you to design your own games and play a wide variety of games created by other users. The platform hosts millions of users created games and virtual worlds covering a wide variety of genres, from traditional racing and role-playing games to simulations and obstacle courses. So what if you want to delete notification that someone sent to you when they invite you to their uh, game on Roblox? If for some reason you want to remove it, you want to delete it, you don't want anyone to see the notification, it's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Roblox. Now you can just open your notification in here on the bell icon in here. Here's all your notification. You can choose on the notification that you want to delete. Maybe for the example, you want to delete this one. You want to delete notification from your friends that invite you to their games. So you can see there's like three dots over there on the notification. You can just select on that. There's an option dismiss and join. You can just select on dismiss. When you select on dismiss, so the notification will be delayed from your notification list. It's a very simple, right? So that is how to delete notification from your Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.